Greetings from Grisslinge Havsbad in Värmdö on the sea, the Baltic Sea. One of the most closest, or just closest should I say, beaches on the sea here in Stockholm. Just 25 minutes bus ride from Slussen, actually from the temporary bus terminal in Slussen. And after so many days on the lakes and nudist beaches, it's time to show you one public beach to shuffle things around. But I will be definitely returning to the nudist beaches soon. The water looks so clean and so clear, so I'm gonna measure also right here as well. But I'm gonna go and take a swim further in from the jetty. And yes, currently it is 2 p.m. I have gotten up very early for one thing that I needed to do this morning. But yeah, it means that I'm tired and I'm really looking forward to this beach adventure. And yeah, the beach is almost empty, nobody is in the water. And let's see if I'm gonna be able to swim to the jetty for a jump in the sea. I don't think so, but it will be anyway like at least 10 minutes swim, I think, as the water doesn't seem so cold currently. Beach day number 44 is it? I lost track of count, but today is 28th of May, so the May is coming to an end, the month of May, and there will be a lot more beach adventures coming up in June, don't worry at all. And we have 16 degrees Celsius in the sea. Not bad, not bad, but I have been swimming in up to 20 degrees in the lakes, so this is a bit of a downgrade, I must say, but I'm gonna go anyway for a swim. The beach is sandy, there is even a children's playground that is currently empty. There is also a ice cream coffee shop and restaurant also. The downside is that you can hear the cars from Värmdö, which is very trafficked road. Everyone that lives in Värmdö goes through this here. And there is one more secret, secluded beach, not secret but public, but not so well visited, Grills Badplats. It's right next to Grisslinge. But I am too tired today, so I just went in here and am going to head for the dip in the sea in a bit. So yeah, let's then go in for a swim in the Baltic Sea in Grisslinge. My videos, shorts from Eurovision, were getting so many views, so I have so much things to do also for Eurovision, even though it ended. So, but the beach adventures will continue forever. I hope so. So let's check out the water and how are we going to get in. You can see also the jetty inside the diving platform as well, and here is also a nice view of the beach as well. Okay, the sun seems to be going down, but I definitely need to speed up anyway, so I will be going in and not wait for the sun to come back. Okay, so let's then head into the Baltic Sea for a swim. I will manage the minutes, but now I will lose my streak, as 4 days in a row I was swimming for 30 minutes total, but in the lakes. So yeah, Grisslinge Havsbad offers nice weather today despite being windy, and beach adventures with Kris continue as usual. Salty, I love it. I love the sea. I love the sea. It's amazing. It's so amazing. Perfect. I love it. And I will continue swimming as I have a plan and a goal to swim for at least 10 minutes despite being only 16 degrees Celsius. So yeah, greetings from the sea, the salty sea, the Baltic Sea, and stay tuned for more beach adventures on the channel Beach Adventures with Kris.